So now you dealt with, so what is this first block? This is my overall strategy, correct? Where Facebook, blog, autoresponder, landing and sales pages are there. Now we have cleared our first box down. This is Facebook and blog strategy. We have already again just cleared my this autoresponder strategy. Now let's put our lenses to the landing page. What the hell is this landing page and why we required? So the simple you are saying that from here, from my autoresponder, I can directly send to my sales page. Okay, this is the product, purchase it, or my simple my registration page or all this. Why this landing page is required? This is the one of the important. Why this? Why? One second, guys. उसको पापा से बात करो. Oh, my dad is called. Just a minute. Okay, so the thing is that, so why this one more block is required, this landing page. You can ask Anamitra, why are you complicating this, putting one more block? I'm very fine with Facebook, blog and autoresponder, correct? So the answer is very clear. Okay, yeah, I've written here, why can't send my leads directly to the sales page where they can purchase from there? I have nurtured them via blog, via multiple emails. Still you are telling not to send them directly to my sales page from where they can purchase. So for this I can give you 2-3 examples. Okay. First is with respect to the affiliate. Suppose you are an affiliate marketer, correct? So for affiliate marketer, sales page is not yours, correct? Sales page is someone else. You are just getting one unique URL from there, from your blog or from your email. You put that URL and from there that person is going to that sales page. So for example, I'm not sure. So for example, this is if I say this is my, okay, I can't type it. So this is you can say my one second. This is my email. From here I will write email. Okay, and from here this is the, you can say, sales page. In email or in my blog I am putting some kind of affiliate URL and I am directing to some others company sales page which is I'm promoting, correct? Here I'm going to do that. Now the problem here, okay, suppose a product you are promoting, for example any kind of product, for information product. Suppose you are promoting any autoresponder tool like GetResponse or some MailChimp and all these things. You are promoting that, correct? Now what you are doing from the blog, from email, from blog, you are just writing here and you're sending traffic to here. Now the problem here, the same kind of page traffic, other people are also sending, correct? The same sales page, other affiliate are also sending from here to here. Okay, now the question is that how you are unique, correct? You are also sending the same sales page and other affiliate marketers are also sending to the same sales page. So what is the unique? What is the extra thing, okay, you are doing? I remember my thing. What are the 10x thing you are doing before someone to send to you know, sales piece from your email or your blog. What the 10x value you are providing? What are the 10x ways, 10 more ways you are trying to, you know, pull your customers' attention? Correct? So for this in between, if I put my landing page here, and from my landing page, if people come here and then go to here, so it is definitely going to enhance my conversion rate when someone from here to here is going. Is definitely, you know, if from here I'm sending, suppose from here to here, if I'm from here to here, I'm sending 100 people, for example. Okay, okay, 100 people. So you may get the conversion of 10. Okay, but if I'm sending from here to here, 100 people, you make conversion of up to 50 to 60%. Okay, so this is one important thing. Now we will see that basically what is this, you know, landing page and all these things. Okay, what are the main ingredients of this landing page? Now, what will happen when you are sending someone from your blog, you know, or they have, you know, multiple attention. Okay, from landing page there is only one action point which that person has to take. There is only one action point. Okay, so we will see, okay, here. Okay, Uh, okay, some other words also. Let's see what is a landing page. So in digital marketing, a landing page is a standalone web page created specifically for the purpose of making an advertisement or campaign. Correct? From your blog, from your email, there is another kind of web page only. Okay, like suppose it's very simple. Like squareninja.net is my site. But if you say, okay, I will show you one of my landing page also. Ashish, you would be able to know. I've seen your comment. What so specifically mentioned on it. I will going to show you the exact what are the elements we have to mention into the landing page. Don't worry about it. Okay. So landing page. Okay. So first thing you understand, it's a normal a web page. So like squareninja.net slash, you know, I can put anything, LP1 or product name, 360 days marketing course. So it's all only a web page. This is the landing page. Okay, and why should I use landing page? I have already explained that it is going to help you to increase your conversion rate. Okay, and whenever you are, you know, in blog you may be talking several other things also, in email also you may be talking other things also, but at the landing page the focus, there is only one single objective on which we have to focus, is that, you know, visitors should click the call to action button, and then from there they go to the sales page, so that they will be more focused and they will be more groomed on that. Okay, so on that perspective, I'm going to show you one landing page of ours. No, this is not this. Okay, now you see here. Okay, this is my one of the landing page. You see, if you open squaredesign.net, that will come to my home page. Okay, but I'm simply sending this from my email to this link. Okay, this page link. So this is a simple landing page. Okay, it's one of the my very high converting landing page. So simple, what is there? There is very big headline that what is my objective. Simple one way. Get enrolled in a free 60 days internet marketing course. Okay. And then here is subheading is there, and even there is one video is there. Uh, One second, guys. Are you guys able to see the landing page which I opened? Because I browsed to another tab. Okay. One second. Okay. You got the answer. Mm, Give me a minute so that I can share my screen. Just give me a minute. I'm still trying to share. So, yeah. So you guys are able to see this, correct? Okay. You are, yeah. Okay. Now I'll show you. I got the confirmation. Once again. Okay. So now see here. This is the example of landing page I am saying. Okay. Uh, okay. So if let me make it a bigger one. Okay. So okay. Still you are able to see it, correct? So now this is one kind of landing page. Uh, so here what I have written, there is one main headline. Okay, get enrolled in a free 60 days internet marketing course. Correct. This is the main objective. What I want that people should enroll into the 60 days internet marketing course. And then there is a subheading is there, and there is one video. It's kind of story I'm writing here. I'm telling them about my story. I'm not sure that you guys has visited this page because I have run different campaign. One is direct lead generation from Facebook. We will discuss it later. But those people, if I'm running via this, so people will land to this landing page. Okay. And then if you go down, there are several aspects of the things. Okay. Now here today you are getting this best deal. Okay. This much hour left and all these things. So I'm just scrolling down so that you should have some idea. Okay. And I will come to this again once I will discuss the main element of the landing page. Okay, so now even though you can, if you want to check from your system, just take this URL, that is squareninja.net/lp2. This is one of the landing page. Okay, so now let's see what are the main ingredient of our. I'm just stopping and sharing so that you should not have multiple screens. Okay, now you are able to see my presentation. Great. Thanks, Ashish. So now let's see what are the main ingredients. Okay, what are the main ingredient of the landing page? Okay, core element. Basically, I have divided into two parts: the core element and other important element. In two slides, you would be able to see that. because if you are affiliate of that and this is your affiliate landing page, so some elements may not required for you. Okay, but if it is your business or your product only, so some additional element you have to put or something. Okay, so this is totally depend that what kind of product or service you are promoting, but these are the overall core element of the landing page, which is definitely going to grab your lot of attentions. Okay, your customers lot of attention. So